Hello guys, today Dubstechnology Present. I beg to all of you to like and subscribe on my channel, because your support is the best, to grow up this channel. Back to topics. So, the new Nokia X won't look like it used to be, coming with a full metal body and a 2.5D curved display. The tech specs are completely scarce as well, so there's nothing we know, but understanding their habit of putting numbers as an indicator of its tier, the Nokia X is very likely to be a flagship level smartphone. That being said, here's where we start throwing assumptions. The Nokia X should be using a Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 processor, possibly up to 6GB of RAM, a 128GB internal storage, an 18:9 screen to body aspect ratio for a 5.99-inch display. The battery should be more than 3000 mAh, and we won't be surprised if there's a dual rear camera behind, sporting a bothy feature. Of course, Android 8.1 Oreo should be out of the box. A small price increase wouldn't be a surprise considering the specs rumored for the OnePlus 6 and its competition in the market, but a jump quite this large will be hard for some fans to handle. Many OnePlus 6 leaks point to an Android smartphone that combines faster speeds with a trendy all-screen, with notch design, while remaining affordable next to other flagship devices. Thanks for watching, so always stay tuned with new videos from my channel. Let's like, subscribe, and share my friends, cause you all the best.